Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home job lead. Real quickly, before we get into it, I do just want to ask a quick favor. Views on work from home job leads right now seem to be down, and I don't know if that is just because it is the holiday season and people are busy, or if that is because you are getting tired of the same old job leads. Please leave any feedback down below in the comments. I would love to hear your take on what makes you watch a work from home job lead video versus deciding to skip watching it altogether. Are there certain job leads you're looking for? Non-phone, customer service, healthcare field? Please leave it down below any feedback that you have for me, as I always love to be helpful for everyone. And also, all the links to everything I share, if you do want to apply to any of these jobs, are always in the YouTube description box below. But without further ado, today's job lead is from the Sitel group. Now, they are like a staffing agency. They work with bigger companies to match up employees with employers who need people. And that is what they are doing in this position. They are looking for a chat customer service agent. So that's through chat on websites and email. So this is a non-phone customer service position. It says virtual, any location in the United States. So it does not look like they have any state restrictions. Now, they are specifically looking for someone to assist a tax software line of business as a chat agent. Now, they don't tell you in the job description what tax software system that is. Is it TurboTax or is it a different one? They don't say, but it is one of the big tax softwares is looking for a chat agent, and you'll be working through the Sitel group for that tax agent. So this is a temporary position. It's seasonal. We're getting ready in the United States to head into that tax season. But this position is going to focus on driving customer interactions through inbound and outbound chat and email communications. You'll respond to any customer inquiries with a focus on providing solutions to their specific issue. You'll help them understand the services that are offered and discover what features of the software will benefit their needs. You'll also help troubleshoot access to online services like resetting their passwords or anything like that. Now, this is going to be performance-based job. You will be expected to meet performance expectations that are set for you. Now, on top of being able to work from home in your pajamas, this position also pays $15 an hour. They also provide 100% paid training, so you get all the training you need. And they also have additional benefits as well. Now, one thing to note, this job position is also listed on Indeed. So in the description box, I linked the Indeed page. Also, if you already have an Indeed profile with your resume and all set up, that will make applying to this position very easy. And I do want to point out that they have a very good rating and a lot of reviews on Indeed. So if you want to go research the company before putting that application in, I always highly suggest that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.